There are some distinct participants in the capital market of investment industry of Canada. 1. Investor has some capital to invest. 2. Organizations are in need of the capital and issues shares. Investment dealers carry out the buy transaction of payment and issue of shares digitally. Clearing Deposit Services CDS store the shares in the investor's account. Whenever the investor wants to sell, an order is made to the dealer or the broker. 6. The investor places order for execution by the stock exchange in the market. 7. Provincial regulator already empowered self-regulatory organizations SRO to create regulations. 8. SRO is monitoring the functioning of the investment dealer, exchanges and the CDS. 9. Canadian Securities Institute CSI is the authentic education provider for the participants. 10. Canadian Investor Protection Fund is the insurance protecting the investor's capital in the marketplace from any unforeseen risk. We will learn more about the roles of each of these participants. Most investment dealers have three-level structure to manage client portfolios effectively and process trades efficiently in compliance with regulatory requirements. Senior management oversees from the head office. Front office performs staff functions including portfolio management, trading, marketing and sales. The middle office manages compliances like accounting, audit and legal functions. Back office manages the trade settlement. The capital is scarce, sensitive to the environment and is mobile. It will keep on moving to environment that yields higher return against the given risk. It will settle down wherever the conditions are favorable. Finance and technology come together as fintech industry, enabling variety of banking and financial products and services, challenging the traditional financial services. Robo-advisor services provide clients with goal-based online investment management and algorithm-based portfolio. The technology suite of services support portfolios built primarily with exchange traded funds that are regularly rebalanced, financial planning, ease of online navigation, speed of account opening and transfers, integration of service delivery across devices, transparency of performance, and fees optimized with tools and tax efficient by rebalancing across account types. It is interesting to see these three different decision makers that influence economy. 1. Consumers like to maximize affordable satisfaction and well-being. 2. Businesses maximize profit selling goods and services. Governments earn from taxes, spend on infrastructure and regulate participants of the economy.
I recommend that you go through this and get benefited.
With the able guidance of a person who's professional, who knows how to draft, I think it's more important than even 100 websites put together.
I am confident that you'll be enlightened with this course content.
I can see your passion towards teaching your student and helping them to grow in their professional life. Wish you the best for future. Jyotika.
It is like an MBA course that gives a competitive advantage for a fast-track career. I decided to take CSC. I will take an online tutorial that is offered for a very small price.